We are Xiaomi global distributor. We wholesale Xiaomi Redmi global version smartphone and China version global roam smartphones and other accessories. Xiaomi ecosystem products. We have almost 10 years of global trading experience. We accept small order, sample order from 1 pieces. We make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending experience, and we can deliver global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order, sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. They are Redmi Note 9s global version smartphone. They are the flagship smartphone of Xiaomi in 2020. Okay, let's continue to unboxing it and review the smartphone. The phone have 3 colors: gray color, white color, and blue color. Global version absolutely supports and all Google applications, include Google Play Store. And global language menu. Here are all the global language menus it supports. About phones. Type-C to USB port and headphone jack. It is a 6.67 inch. It's from Embed glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. 20 to night radio, 395 ppi density, 2400 pixels by 1080 pixels. The display supports HDR10, Android 10 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G octa-core, 2.3 GHz. Memory 64GB ROM, 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 6GB RAM, UFS 2.1. It have 5 cameras. Selfie film camera is 16 megapixel f2.5 aperture, and its main camera are quad cameras. 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with LED flashlight. It supports fingerprint. Here's fingerprint sensor, power on off button, fingerprint, and it supports dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Infrared port, FM radio, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BTS, Bluetooth 5.0. It is a value of money smartphone. It supports 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Okay, let's continue to test its 48 megapixel camera. We can see the details. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. A jet pen, this is a warranty certificate. We can see how many languages it supports. Europe, most of Europe countries' languages. And user guide, the menu. Will come 1 piece very good quality silicon case. And 1 piece type C the USB cable. One piece charger. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending, and surely, absolutely, we have the best price, and we guarantee the phone is brand new condition. If you want to make B2B the business of Xiaomi Redmi global version smartphone or global loan, China version global loan smartphones, you can contact with us. Thank you for your watching.